Hey, what's up guys? It's me, WHYnotBrix. In this video, I'm going to unboxing the Attack Shark X6 wireless gaming mouse. Prime mode 2.4G, USB-C, wired Bluetooth with bottom RGB charging case. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and click notification bell so that you're always updated. And let's get started. We bought this mouse, Attack Shark X6 wireless gaming mouse, in Lazada for only 1,782.
Talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say,